So in order to get your CDL, one of the tests that you're going to have to do is the offset back. Basically, it means moving it from this space to this space. Now, and there will be cones right here. So, depending on the size trailer you have, the further away you are from the spot, the easier it's going to get and the less jackknifing you need to do. All right. Now, let's go ahead and zoom out here for a second. Now, the first thing we need to do is tell ourselves, okay, what direction I need to turn the steering wheel on. I want to get the front of the trailer to go to the right in order for the back of the trailer to go to the left. So I'm going to turn the steering wheel to the right. Okay. Now let's back up nice and slowly. All right. Now I want to keep this angle. All right. I don't want to go. I don't want to go too crazy. All right. So I'm going to go back to the left, roughly around here. All right. It's not cranking. If I crank it all the way to the left, I'm going to start chasing it. I don't want to do that. I just want to maintain just a slight angle. Okay, that's kind of there we go. Sorry. Around there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my truck straight, and that way I can kind of analyze what's going on. I can see in both mirrors. I can see what's going on over here. I can see my trailer tires. All right, so I'm just going to start backing up again. I'm going to start chasing a little bit because I kind of want to maintain that angle. Basically, now once this part of the trailer gets past here, all right, is when I definitely want to start jackknifing to where because I want to get the front of the trailer over here, making you more parallel. Okay, so I'm actually able to maintain that right there. Okay, it's looking good. Let's go ahead and straighten it up. And now we have a straight back. Now we just got to do slow maneuvering. All right. Now the reason why the offset back is very important is because it shows that you can control the trailer in reverse. It's basically an exaggerated straight back. You're going from one lane to the other. All right. Now in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the blind spots so that you can see what it's like without being able to see stuff. All right. So now I gotten rid of the lines as well. So we're going to go ahead and pull forward. And again, the more forward you go, now sometimes in your test you might be limited. Like if you let's give ourselves a little bit of a challenge. Okay, so this is not a lot of room. I might not even be able to do this, but so I'm going to go ahead and crank the steering wheel to the right. Okay, now immediately I'm going to lose everything over here, but I can still see what's going on. All right, now my trailer is still pointing towards the center. All right, it's not until around here it starts going. So I'm slowly, even though I'm chasing it, the trailer is still starting to point. And it's doing a good job. I'm liking what's happening. No, I'm still lost over here. But I will be able to see in just a second. And let's go ahead and stop right around. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we can, as you can see, we can see the first cone. And we can see over here. But the trouble is that if I just maintain a straight back, let's go ahead and back up slowly here. Okay. I'm not going to be able to jackknife very much. It's just because once I start to back up, I'm going to end up losing it in it. Okay, let's go ahead and just start now. All right, because at a certain point, you're going to end up losing everything on the right. And you've already lost everything on the left. So it's kind of, maybe this is the time to get out and look. So let's see what is going on. All right, looks like we're missing it. We got plenty of room over here, so I can tell myself right now I definitely need to start chasing it. All right, maybe keeping a slight little angle. All right, let's get back in the truck. All right, so I'm going to start chasing. Back to a little angle again. Oh, I think I'm okay, but you never want to think you're okay. You want to know you're okay. So let's get out and look. Okay, now we know we're okay. All I have to do is straighten up the truck and trailer, and we are flying it. So turn to the right. And straight back. Okay, we are good. All we have to do is just maintain this straight back. And we have passed without hitting anything. And we only got out and looked twice. Okay. So I want to go over the steps again. So the first thing you want to do is turn the steering wheel to the right. Put it into reverse. Start chasing a little bit, keeping that angle. then getting to a straight back, able to see in both mirrors, back to a jackknife again, then chasing it, controlling it, and then straight back. Again, the straight back is so important to understand. All right, that is, it's just, if you have to master any back, it's the straight back, and able to maneuver into any space. All right, that is the offset back.